Hi everyone, it's Merv here. I've got a few components on the table here. It's been recently changed in the Duster. I thought I would just show you before I put them in the bin to give you an idea of the sort of wear limits that these components withstand. The first one is the timing belt. Now the timing belt on my vehicle was changed at 75,000. Factory said it should be 72,000 or 6 years. When I inspected the belt, I was really pleased to see that there was no signs of any cracking or wear in there. I'll give you a bit of a close-up of that. Now this doesn't mean you shouldn't change it at the 72,000 miles or sooner, but the great thing is it's in really good condition. I know these things can snap at any time, and it's always imperative that you change them when you should do, but I think this just shows there is a little bit of leeway in the mileage. With the belt, obviously, you should always replace the tensioner. I thought I would just have a look at this before I binned it, and the bearing is in great shape. There doesn't appear to be any play there. It's still smooth. The wheel is still really good. So yes, excellent. Really pleased with that. And the other component was the water pump. Now I didn't realise the water pump actually has a metal gasket on these with like an impregnated rubber seal on it. So rather than like a paper gasket. And again, the water pump, the bearings are really good. There's no play on them, and there doesn't appear to be any wear. So I was really pleased with that. Now this again doesn't mean to skip changing it. I would always recommend changing the water pump when you're having the timing belt done. It just makes economic sense. You certainly don't want to spend that amount of money or time on the belt and then a year later you have a water pump failure. It is just always, for the extra £60 for the component, it's definitely worth getting that changed. So hope you found that interesting, because a lot of you won't see these components if you take it to a main dealer or an independent dealer, because they'll just chuck them in the bin. But it just goes to show that Renault's come a long way, and the components are lasting really well. Okay, catch up with you soon.